quick reading for February the 1st to February the 2nd, Pisces. We have the Emperor, the King of Swords, and the Ace of Cups. So, ito yung mga bagay na marami tayong ininvest, no? Whether this is time, energy, effort, pwede rin itong literal na pera, no? With our person, parang mafe-feel natin na sumasaya siya, no? And ang maganda dito, hindi lang siya yung napapasaya kasi nakakita din tayo dito na your person is going to reciprocate, no? This emotional investment or whatever kind of investment that you put into this relationship. So makikita mo rin yung pagkakaayos, no? At madami tayong mga bagay na natututunan, not only to our person but also to ourselves, like probably stretching the patience, or probably we can love more, or probably our person also, no, can learn. Meron kasing mirrored energy dito itong mga time na to. So I feel like pati si person mafe-feel niya na pwede pala, no, magmahal ako ng ganito ka seryoso. So napakaganda nitong araw na ito for you dahil parang this is the time wherein you can dive into your deepest ocean, no, of emotion, and your person's going to reciprocate on that. So this is your quick reading, Pisces, for February the 1st to February the 2nd.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.